Dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to share some spoken English vocabulary which we can use in our daily conversation, and they will make our sentence and expression more interesting and strong. Okay, let's go. Hanky panky. Chalaki. Stop your hanky panky. I can easily catch it. Super duper. খুবই ভালো. Really, it is a super duper offer. Easy peasy, খুব সহজ. I want to mean that it is a very easy peasy lesson. Roly poly, Golga. Look at the baby. Really, it is very sweet, cute, and roly poly. Riff raff, fatlo. I have seen a riff raff person nowhere like you. Lovey dovey, খুব মিষ্টি. Her behavior is very interesting and lovey dovey. Hocus pocus, কারসাজি অথবা কৌশল. Stop your hocus pocus. It will bring destruction to you. And last one, wishy washy. সিদ্ধান্তহীন. Why are you suffering from wishy washy? Think yourself properly and come to a good decision. Thank you.